I take my right-hand turns at 2 miles an hour. You know what the problem with Saab is? This is the only problem. You know what the problem is?
You can't get out.
You never get bored of driving. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are gifting this beautiful 2008 Saab 9.5 to my sister-in-law. Yes, she needs a car, and when I was rebuilding this car, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to check out the playlist. This car was completely wrecked from the front end, and we brought it back to life. So today, after some time and you know, figuring out each other's schedules, we are going to be gifting the car. So stay tuned. We're going to show her around the car. It's going to be her first time that she's driving the car. I think it's her first time ever really learning a 9.5. So she's going to learn about one of the best cars ever built and engineered in the last 20 years. I should say in the last decade. So that's a loaded statement. I'm sure somebody in the comment section will have a go at it. But anyways, stay tuned. Alright, so now that you're all set up, you got your mirrors.
Mirror set.
A couple things about the Saab. It's probably one of the best cars ever made. It's sad that they don't make them anymore. You have the best of luxury and some sport.
This is one way.
Yeah, just keep going. We make our own rules around here.
I know we're good guys.
Make a left. So this car, just so everybody in the viewers know, is a very, go left, has a big personality. These Saabs can be quirky, however, if you treat it right,
Like her brakes.
yeah, the brakes are good.
Yeah.
If you treat her right, it'll treat you right. So make sure you remember that.
Meaning
Personality.
Take her to...
Take good care, don't beat on her too much.
I'm sorry.
Don't hit any potholes. You know, treat her right.
Wear your glasses.
Wear your glasses and pay attention.
Wear your glasses. Wear your spectacles.
Yeah.
Don't be a smart ass. I got you.
Feel me?
I feel her. Oh, she feels nice.
Nice. I think you can make her right up into the light here.
Yep, there's some truth.
So yeah, welcome to the new car.
Thank you. This was like kind of surreal.
It's pretty nice.
I don't really believe it.
comfortable, right?
I feel like she is always fine.
There you go. Brakes are nice. I know you were a little concerned.
Well, I was, because I drove Melanie's car and I was like downhill.
And it's hard.
And I had to like pump.
Yeah, but her brakes are fixed now because we replaced them.
Got it.
So they're not doing that anymore. But yeah, I can understand. Melanie used to be concerned too.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, baby.
Oh, let's pass this truck.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. That was done unintentionally.
Yes.
Left?
Yeah, why not? Now you really.
A dead end.
Okay, don't go left. Let's put the GPS on. What's the name of your build?
Just hot.
Turn left on Liberty. Now remember,
What?
if you treat her nicely, she'll treat you
I
nicely.
know, I'm just,
I know, you're getting it.
I'm playing around.
You feel you're getting comfortable?
I've never had a turbo before.
No.
What are these for?
Welcome to a real car.
Finally. Here we go.
Finally, you got some independence.
Ahead only.
Turn left onto Liberty Avenue.
Freedom. Go figure.
High five. High five
Brilliant.
for individualism.
Brilliant name right there.
What? Liberty Ave.
We're finally free to make our own
Make it-
decision
yes.
here.
You can have liberty to make a left turn.
We are free.
Yeah. How did you feel?
She feels
Like a brand new car. You would never even know it had 91,000 miles.
she's heavier.
Heavier than
an Audi.
Oh, for sure.
She's so much heavier.
Oh, definitely. This is more
This is
luxury.
like-
This is more luxury for sure.
It's interesting.
Yeah. You probably have an extra 400 pounds on this over the Audi.
Yeah.
But that's
But
the way.
she feels
Like that's why when I say cruiser, like this is heavy, comfortable. Like the Audi, honestly, like I wouldn't be able to drive that 8 hours and be comfortable. The seats are not that great.
You're right.
Sorry, Jason. I know you're gonna be watching this video, but Audi seats suck,
I mean, he's right.
and so do BMW seats. But I'll stop while I'm ahead.
What's this guy doing?
Being an old geezer, turning right. I take my right-hand turns at 2 miles an hour. You know what the problem with Saab is? This is the only problem. You know what the problem is?
You can't get out.
You never get bored of driving. Like I used to drive thousands of miles and be like, okay, I'll drive some more. So no, I'm not ready to get out. I'm comfortable in here. In fact, I might even put my seat back.
So this is how I really drive.
Yes.
With my leg up like
How
this.
awesome are these seats?
Like this.
The best seats ever.
Yeah.
I do that too.
Does this have lumbar support?
It does.
Where's that?
It's on the right, on the left side.
Okay.
Wow, I can go to sleep right now and drive for 10 hours.
Yeah, she is like definitely a cruiser.
For
I understand.
sure.
Like,
Hey, drive on the right side of the road, okay? No more crossing the double yellow.
I was giving that guy his.
I don't have.
I don't trust anybody.
I don't have the student driver brake over here, all right?
Oh my gosh, I like feel so comfortable in her. Look how I'm sitting.
natural. It's natural.
Yeah. Should be nice, not this guy.
So your gift has arrived home. How was your first drive, Nikki?
It was so much fun.
You did a nice job.
Thank you.
I didn't jump out. I didn't jump out of the seat.
One time you almost did.
One time.
We squeezed. It was
We
a little
squeezed
tight
through.
For you. A little too claustrophobic.
Yeah, I was like, you gotta go slower next time.
Fair enough.
You know, just to make sure.
Treat her nice.
Yes.
Should I back her in?
No, just pull her straight in. Now, turning radius on this car is.
It's not that good.
No, it's the best you've ever seen.
Oh.
Yes, it's not like any other Toyota, Nissan.
It's so funny.
You'll get
like,
used to it. Like this
I
thing
know,
can
but-
turn. Like for a
You're
big
right.
car, it turns.
You're right.
Like you can drive in a.
The camera. You feel comfortable.
There you go. Now you're good. Right there in the lines. Read in between the lines.
Wait, how's the bumper sit? According to
They're pretty high up, but like, don't do what this guy does. You know, like he's like.
no, it's too
You can go like a couple more inches. Always look at the reflection of the other car.
Oh my god,
Now you're good.
that's brilliant.
Always look, like if you're backing into a space and you don't have a rear view camera,
I've never.
just look at
ever.
the like,
I see.
yeah, you know.
It's very clear.
All right, so
We're home.
we're home. Good job.
Thanks.
So thanks for watching. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below because I'm still building another 9.5 if you're new to the channel. And if not, thanks for watching and supporting us. And we'll see you next time.